Hello guys, how are you all? We are from Instyle Innovations and today we are going to show you how to install atmosphere lamps in AutoCAD and without charging slot. So enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Instyle Innovation Network. This is the box of atmosphere lamp and it includes IR infrared controller, supply plug, off on off button, and 4 LED strips. You can see flexible 4 LED strips and remote controller. We are going to install it on the parking lamp switch because there is a much need of charging slot for charging. That's why we are going to install it from the parking lamp switch. So enjoy the video.
Now friends, we are going to cut this wire, and because we don't need this now, we are going to join this wire with the wire of this coupler now, and to insert in the parking lamp coupler.
Now friends, we are going to install the 4 LED strips. The 2 LED strips are with long wires and the rest of the 2 are with short wires. The strips with long wires, we are going to fix them with the rear side of the car, and the short wires with short strips, those we are going to fix on the front side of the dashboard. Look how we are going to install it. We are opening this console because it will help us to hide the wires. Now friends, we are going to check whether this light works properly or not. Yeah, it works, and make sure that the sensor is visible. This is the sensor of this light. Make sure that this is visible. That's how you can change the lights. This is the final touch up, guys. Look how to fix this. Cover up. Friends, we are all set to play with atmosphere lights now. You can see how these lights work. This is how you can change the lights. White, blue, green, you can choose anyone. This is the on off button. You can also play with the music beats. Just switch on the radio or tape, whatever it is, and you have to push this button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Instyle Innovation Network. We'll come soon with the new videos. Stay blessed.